Hello, Pranam, Jai Jinendra. This is Shilpa Shah from New Jersey, USA. First of all, a very big thank you to Prriya ji and Pradeep ji for sharing this immense knowledge and taking out very precious time, which is truly unremarkable. You are truly a gem of a character. I had attended the second day of the Numeric healing code workshop, and I had learned about the codes that time, and I started writing the stress code, the corona code, the gastritis code, and the code of the muscle stiffness. So the stress code have really helped me a lot. In fact, I would like to share you my experience. This week on Wednesday, my car couldn't get started, so I started chanting Naukar mantra, the first shloka of the Bhaktamar, and even my stress code was already written here, and I chanted that. Within some few minutes, I got a call from my friend saying that, hey, how are you? And I just said I got stuck up from my job place and I couldn't get the car started. So she said, don't worry, I'll come and help you. And immediately she came and helped me, and with the help of the jump start, we could get the car started and I could drive back home safely from my job place. Actually, I'm a medical assistant by profession, so I would just like to let you know about that. Second thing I would like to let you know is that that day we had to reach to the temple, like Munisruta Swami Jinala in our township, and it's due to corona virus, due to the lockdown, temples were closed, so we had to go and do the aarti, and we got that opportunity also. Third thing is I had to appear for my exam, for the state license examining, and that got cancelled, and I couldn't get any chance to, like, from the website or from the toll free number. It was little great difficulty. I couldn't get. Once again, I chanted the first shloka of Bhaktamar and the 6th and the 45th shloka, and I used this stress code too, and within few minutes I got it from the website, my exam date. So that's also another thing. So these small experiences in this week itself I have experienced and learned it and shared. This experience also, I would like to let you know one more thing, that I gave the stress code to my husband, and he also had written in the left hand, and he's not here today, so I'm sorry I couldn't get his video part. So but it made him a difference too, for sure, and to my son also. One more thing I would like to mention you, the eye healing code, I gave it to my friend just 3 days back. She was cutting the grass thing, and suddenly some dust particle went into her eyes, into her left eye. It got all red, and I just gave this code. She wrote it down, and yesterday she said, Shilpa, I felt it so good, and thank you for sharing, and definitely it's helpful. Like, I have given the stress code to my 2 co-workers also. They could also do the work with ease. So one more thing I would like to add on is, in my job place, say in my house, wherever I go, I'm little anxious and little like fear and thinking too much. But by using these codes and chanting Bhaktamar, in fact I started doing this regularly, I have found immense difference in my life, my personality. Everything seems to be positive here. In this week we could get a real good outcome of the positive results. So if this is a change, then I think this is the greatest achievement, like what Prriya ji and Pradeep ji have given us. Thank you so much, and thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I would definitely love to serve the humanity and serve everybody. Thank you. Pranam. Jai Jai.